Hi guys, in this video I'll show you the working of our app Taurus Horoscope. This is the new update which we have released yesterday. This has a lot of UI and UI changes, like we have added lot of fonts and themes, and the settings is also changed along with added new features. I'll go through each and every feature one by one. On the top left corner you have a button. If you click on that, you will see many features like daily horoscope, love horoscope, zodiac reading, sign compatibility, child astrology, etc. So first let's click on daily horoscope. By default it will take you to today's horoscope. You can swipe left and right for tomorrow horoscope, yesterday horoscope, then weekly horoscope, monthly horoscope and yearly horoscope. This is daily horoscope tab. The next tab is love horoscope. This is different from daily horoscope. This is a specially love horoscope for the Taurus sign. Same way we have yesterday, today, tomorrow, weekly and monthly and yearly horoscope. We have separate horoscopes for couples and singles. Like all yearly, monthly and weekly horoscopes are divided into singles and couples. Click on the button. Third option is zodiac reading. This is the basic zodiac profile for Taurus. This will show you tell you the characteristics or features of the person who is having Taurus as the zodiac sign. Then the fourth option is sign compatibility. Here you can compare your sign with your partner's sign and see how compatible you are with your partner. Let's say your partner's sign is Scorpio. Click on Scorpio, then click on compare. This will give you the compatibility report. You can go through it. It will help you a lot in your relationships and tell you how compatible you are with your partner. Then the last option is child astrology. This is a special horoscope for children. Same way we had Taurus profile. This also is a Taurus profile for children. So go through it. It will tell you the characteristics of a Taurus child. These are all the features which we have. I can say that this is the best horoscope app on the Play Store, not because of the looks or UI, but because of the features, the amount of features it is having and the information it is carrying. Go to settings tab. The settings tab we have changed in this new update. We have added lot of theme options. You can change the themes depending on your likings. If you like this theme, for example, you can click on select and it will change the entire theme of the app. Go to setting again. There are fonts which we have added in this update. We have 7-8 fonts total. You can change the font. It will change the font for the entire app. Then the font color you can change depending on your liking. Then the header color. On top settings there is a background color which you can change, whichever color you want. Then the text size you can change. You can reduce the text size, small or medium, large, and it will change the entire font size for the app. Notifications. Every morning 8 o'clock we have a notification for checking horoscope. You can disable it here or keep it enabled. We have a share app option. If you like the app, you can share the app with your friends, or if you like the content like the horoscope, if you want to send it to your friends, you can use the button that is on top right corner. There is a share button. You can share it using WhatsApp, Gmail or Facebook. You can post the horoscope on Facebook. We have another tab called more apps. If you click on that, it will take you to the Google Play Store, wherein we have all the apps for other signs also. That's it guys. If you like the app, just give us good ratings and give us good comments and suggestions. There is a rate me button. You can click on that. It will take you to Play Store, wherein you can give your valuable comments and help us improve the app and add more features in the future. Thank you for watching.